Just 200 years ago, our schools used to be temples of learning. Students from all over the world came here to learn. We had an extensive system of education built over thousands of years. Young minds joined the system and lived close to nature, asking questions without fear, exploring solutions without hesitation. Caring teachers help children discover their inner abilities and slowly build their self-confidence. As they grew up, children used this confidence to develop their identities around their own abilities. Gurus trained them to earn a living, using their abilities and selflessly serve others. Teachers also gave great importance to help children discover innocence and peace within themselves. When children were at peace, they developed respect and empathy for others. Empathy led them to live in harmony with fellow beings and with nature. Our own ancestors were educated in this system. They had a clear sense of dharma, integrity, honesty, courage, and accountability, and jnana, specific subject expertise, creative problem solving, and ethical decision making. This ancient system of ours was systematically destroyed and forcibly replaced with a foreign model of education. It produced dehumanized manual labor for looting India and demoralized administrative servants for managing the loot. Today, 75 years after independence, all Indian schools follow this foreign model of education, a system that is designed to penalize children. Rote learning and spoon feeding in lower classes, suddenly thrown into a pass-fail system in higher classes. Children learn that success means compete, win, and consume. Career success is decided by marks. Those that don't get high marks are made to feel inferior, leading to identity issues. Conventional schools fail to recognize our unique Indian identity. They shame children into adopting Western attire not suitable for India. They continue to teach wrong history that devalues our heritage, culture, and traditions. High fees and poor teaching puts pressure on children to perform. So children have to enroll in tuition classes online or offline. Art and sports are treated as secondary to education. Schools and colleges today simply don't teach any innovation methods or leadership skills. They churn out thousands of demoralized students that are literate but unemployable. In 2017, a few volunteers came together in rural Mysore to rethink our education system, to build a new type of school. At Purna Chetana, we teach Purna or fulfillment with Chetana or dynamism through Dharma, which is our moral obligation towards our parents, teachers, loved ones, and society. Artha and Kama, a contribution to society that provides material and financial security. And Moksha, the ultimate gateway to peace that is beyond age, wealth, health, and knowledge. At Purna Chetana, children learn to celebrate their identity, patriotism, and ancient culture. We teach agriculture, cooking, and dairy farming. Each class has its own farming bed. Collective cooperation is rewarded. Children learn to cooperate, cultivate, harvest, and share. Purna Chetana offers free education to 20% students from poor communities and affordable fees for the rest, 80% lower than elite local schools. Purna Chetana follows a system designed to encourage children to learn and apply. It focuses on understanding through practical experiences unique for each child. Assessments are gamified and fun, designed to measure individual progress. Purna Chetana developed new teaching tools for 21st century skills in 2018, all of which are coincidentally specified in the new 2020 National Education Policy. We created the Buddhiman platform for teaching innovation and problem solving skills at scale, not just in our school but across to the general public. Since 2018, we have seen over 200% growth in enrollment despite the lockdown. We are seeing increased parent-teacher engagement. CBSE has highlighted our innovative teaching techniques. Local press, media, and government agencies have recognized our work. Traffic to our website and YouTube channel has almost doubled. We have a self-sustaining revenue model providing free education for deserving children. We have already secured 15 acres of land from Chetana Trust. So please join us in grooming responsible future citizens infused with ancient Indian wisdom, cheerful faces, enjoying every bit of their school lives just like our ancestors.